Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer field. I got Wesley's on the camera.
What's up, guys?
And he brought a brand new plane for me to check out. I came out here to mow and he brought this out here for me to just sort of show you guys. We're gonna fly it and give you a demo of it probably tomorrow, but for now I'm just gonna kind of show you the features of this, which there's a ton of them, and you just launched this thing today, right?
Right.
So
a few hours ago.
This is a 90 millimeter?
It is.
So this is really nice, J-10. I've flown some J-10s in the past, but this is from Freewing. It's got full working canards. You can see the elevators, ailerons, everything. This has a pre-mixed in board or something, right?
Everything's pre-mixed for you on that.
Any stabilization?
Not out of the box, but you could add it easily.
Okay. And are you flying it without one?
No, not having one in there right now.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, so we'll be doing that here in the next couple of days, or probably tomorrow flying it. Real nice detail. I gotta admit, there's little, did you have to glue all these? Or?
Yep.
Okay, there's pitot tubes, looks like angle of attack indicators.
Yep, those all glue on there.
Your nose comes off there. That's pretty nice. It's got magnets and stuff. Here, you want to get in on that?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that goes in there nice. Real precisely made. Good rivet detail all the way around this whole thing. This pops in and out, but I think Wesley said he glued his probe in there because he snapped it off.
I accidentally ran it into the side of the car.
Yeah, accidentally, which that happens. So, and then this screws together. Is there any gluing? Just the little components?
Just on the little pieces all around the airplane. That's the only gluing.
And if you get a good zoom out, you got lights all over this thing, huh?
Yep, 11 LEDs total.
11 LEDs, nice flashers on the tail. You got landing lights too, right?
Oh yeah, 3 of them.
Okay.
Oh, you
got, okay, they're on the gear. Oh, wow, that's cool. That's well lit.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty nice.
You can see them great coming in the land too, because this comes in at a great high angle of attack.
This is nice. These look pretty tough. It ought to be able to handle my rough field here. We're
gonna find out tomorrow.
We'll test that out. Yeah, we'll come out here and do it. And then here, let me extend the gear or drop the gear here for you. Let's see. All right, there they are, retracting.
And then you got all the doors.
Door speed is good. That's nice. Oh, look at that. That's
and they
clean.
got the magnets on the back doors. So
these are magneted.
Right here, you can see there's actually magnets.
A little magnet to hold it down. Okay, cool.
So they don't blow open.
Very neat. And you got some little probe things that pop off.
Yep. So for guys that want to transport it on its belly, you got this one up here too.
Pull that off, so that's nice. Yeah, I like these side lights.
Yeah.
I've flown some J-10s before and they always flew real nice. Little pitot. You got to glue that one on too?
You glue that one in,
wow. Yep. Okay, lots of detail. Man, I'm digging the way that this, and these all pop off?
Yep.
I guess, there you go.
That's a new style of rail on that one, so it's a little larger than the old missile rails.
Yep, because it's a big
for the drop tank.
Big drop tank, and then you got a CG mark. You flying it on that?
Flying it right on it.
Okay, good. All right, let me pop that back into place. All the missiles come off, and nice ball links all the way around. There's your access hatch there for your fan. Just try not to drop this. Let me see if I can pop these off. Those come off too, which is nice.
Yeah.
Because you'll want to get the ventral fins off to transport
on its
thing.
belly.
So
yeah, definitely.
They're even labeled left and right. And here, let me pop that gear back out so I can put this. Oh, drop it. Sorry.
Whoa.
I'm trying to ding your plane. Sorry. Let's see. There's your magnets there on your doors.
Yep.
That's slick. I like those sliders for those over centers. That's real nice. Yeah, that's tough. So very, very cool. Here, let me flip it around. And you got, what, a couple screws to get your vertical on?
Yep, I think it's 4 screws.
1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side.
And then if you want to release one of the wings, you can. It's just like the Zeus, so there's 2 buttons on the bottom on each end.
Oh, let me show them that there.
Yeah.
Flip that over. So what's the best way to get into that? So
let's see.
Right here?
Yeah, so push that button, and there's one at the back. And then if you want to set the airplane back on its wheels.
Oh, really?
Or you can do
it comes out that way.
Yeah, you just pull it off.
Oh, wow. Here, let me flip it around without dropping that wing.
Yeah, because it'll set on the gear with the wings off.
I don't want to drop that wing off of there.
You're good.
Because it's kind of not really the tightest connection around. Here, hang on. Let me not snag that.
Yeah, so now you can just literally slide the whole wing off.
Oh, wow. Look at that. See, I really like these things.
Right?
Those little metal connectors. That's nice. And then that's your single point.
Yep.
Yeah, really cool.
And then you got the one on the other side of the airplane right there.
Yeah, you guys are killing it with this stuff. This is oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
You guys rounded it up. See, I'm usually using a little sandpaper around my tube to round it.
You see on the one on the wing too.
You guys already did that. Wow.
So those come in the box, you just pop them into it.
Oh, you put them on. Okay.
Yep.
Wow. That's slick, man. Somebody's thinking about this stuff. It's getting good. Let's see if I can get that on there nicely.
Just like that, and then you just push the 2 buttons. You can actually reach them from the top.
Can I?
Yep.
Let me see.
There's one.
Okay, I got the front one.
Yeah, one there.
I got that one. Let me get to the back. You know where that's at right there.
Yeah, right there.
And let me push the wing in a little bit. There we go. And that locks it in. That is cool, dude. I like these little foam pieces here, like this. That looks like a gun, probably.
Yeah,
or something, huh?
that one piece you have to put on.
Okay.
It may just be snapped out a little bit. It just snaps in.
Yeah, it just
push it in the rest of the way. I put a little glue at the front of it, but
it looks like it might need. Oh, okay. It just snapped. I see it. Yeah,
yep.
It popped. Okay, it's kind of popping out on us, but
all right.
Well, anyway, really nice. I like this. Did that come with those little metal?
Yep, that's exactly how they come right out of it. Yep, that's exactly how.
Just a staple to keep it down.
Yep.
That's cool. It's probably glued in or something.
And then if you want to show them on the top,
let me get this get this back on.
The light too on the canopy.
Cool. It's like a candy store here.
I know. Look at that.
I just came out here to mow, and Wesley brought a cool plane out for me to check out. Okay, what are we looking at?
So if you take right here, guys, this is pretty cool. This is new on the J-10. Yeah, you got the heads-up display that lights up.
Latch here, you pop open, and there's little spring-loaded contacts.
Yeah. That's
slick, man. So you get a little HUD display action going on. So. And then there's your canard servos.
Yep.
Your linkage is there. You got a nice big battery.
Oh yeah.
You can put a ton of battery in there.
And you can move it back or forward, you know. That's about where I've been flying it actually, is right where it's setting. And it feels really good right there. I know a lot of guys are going to probably want to move it back.
Okay.
Because a lot of guys look tail-heavy.
Is your stabilizer? Oh, you don't have a stabilizer.
No stabilizer.
Right.
Yep.
Just
a
the box
receiver.
there.
Yep,
You got a
that's
black box. Yeah, man, this is slick. I like this. Can't wait to get this.
You're gonna love the way it flies.
Let's see that. That's nice. That little HUD light, that is cool.
You got the cheaters back here on the back too.
Right here, okay.
Yeah.
Those are spring loaded. You said those are from another plane too or something?
Yeah, the Eurofighter had the same design on it. It's pretty cool. If you hold the plane and give it a little throttle, you'll see them pop open.
Here, let's go. Very cool, just to get a little more air in there. The riveting detail's awesome.
Yeah, isn't that so cool looking?
Access panels and all that. And they're not sticking out, they're recessed. I mean, usually airplanes like this, the rivets are flush mounted, so you just see them. You don't really have an indentation, but this is kind of nice how they're in like that. And it looks like you got all submerged hinges all the way around. So everything kind of rolls around that sort of center point there. So there's a real scale and again, submerged kind of style, so that is cool. Same thing on the vertical, I guess? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, same deal there. Wow, this is slick, man. I can't wait to fly this, man. I came out here to mow, guys, and Wes said, hey, let me bring this out. We at least get some pictures and stuff, but it's a little windy, and we'll get out here tomorrow and fly it around. So 90 millimeter Freewing, not Flightline, Freewing.
Freewing J-10.
J-10, yeah, J-10s are good high alpha planes.
Oh yeah, this one's good at it too.
They're really cool. That thing, man, that's a kind of an odd, I might have popped your little thing in there, but.
That's okay.
Oh, that's okay. But yeah, I like this. There's bearings in the wheels too. You got ball bearings in your wheels.
Mm-hmm. They roll forever.
Front ones.
The reverse thrust is very effective too.
Oh, it's got reverse?
Yeah, and if you're on a hard surface, you need it.
Did you hook it up on this thing?
Yeah. It's on the bind button.
Let's see. Let's go with this.
You just hold the bind button and give it throttle.
Let's see. Neat. Wow, cool. Very cool. All right, Wes, thanks for bringing this out. Guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get a video of this. I'm just gonna pop this up on the YouTube channel for you guys to see this. But really slick just looking at it at first glance. I just got back from training and I came out here to mow, and like I said, he brought this out here. This is nice. This is pretty slick. So we'll get batteries charged up and all that. We'll come out here tomorrow when it's a little less windy out here, and we'll give you guys I'll get a little flight time in on it. So on the grass in the rough field here, right? So this is the abuse test track.
The abuse test track. I like that.
So you can see how it deals with the roughness of it. So stay tuned, because we are getting ready to put the building out here now that I'm done with some stuff at work, and then we'll get the runways down and all that. So stay tuned, because we'll have all that out here. Wes, thanks for bringing this out. This is cool. Stay tuned, guys. We'll have some flight videos of this pretty soon. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all next time.